In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram account to your Facebook page. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are just going to open the Instagram application in your phone by tapping on it. After that, if you see at the lower right side of the screen, you will be able to see here your profile icon. So you're going to click on that and then you will be redirected to your profile page. Here, first of all, what you're going to do is you are going to convert your simple Instagram account into business account. For this, first of all, you are going to click on these three lines located at the upper right side of the screen. After that, you are going to tap on the first option, which is settings and privacy. In here, you are going to scroll down until you see the option account type and tools. So you are going to tap on that. And then you are going to tap on switch to professional account. After that, you are going to tap on continue 3 to 4 times, and then you are going to select a category which best suits your Instagram account. For now, I'm going to tap on digital creator and then tap on done. Then you can either select creator or business. I'm going to go with creator. Once you have selected that, you can tap on next. If you want to receive the promotional emails, you can enable this option, otherwise you can disable this. If you don't want to add your different accounts into same account center, you can tap on Note Now. And then your simple account will be converted into professional account. Now you are going to tap on this cross located at the upper left side of the screen, and then you will be redirected to your profile page. Here, if I refresh this, I am able to see this option professional dashboard. So just tap on that and then you are going to tap on this gear icon located at the upper right side of the screen. Here you are going to tap on the third option, which is creator, and then you are going to tap on connect or create. Then tap on continue and then tap on login to Facebook located at the lower side of your screen. If you are logged into Facebook page from the same device, you will be able to see your Facebook page, and if you want to create a new Facebook page, you can go with the second option. But if you are already able to see your Facebook page over here, you can tap on connect. Then your Instagram account will be connected to your Facebook page, and if you want to go back to your Instagram profile, you are going to tap on this arrow located at the upper left side of the screen. Tap on this arrow again and one more time.